Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is John, representing Sea Talk. We're over here asking questions to guests that are here to witness the Glory Gala. It's a legendary fashion show. I believe this is the second time that they're having it. First year was very, very huge success, and we're here to get a little bit of coverage for this second time event. We're asking a few questions to break the ice, get everybody going.
Okay, I'm
so
ready.
you ready for the first question?
I think I am.
You think you are?
I think I am.
If a dog barks
Okay.
and the lion roars, what does a goat do?
It bass. I don't know. What does a goat do?
Blur, right? Is that what it's called? Blur.
Blur.
I don't know what it is, boy. I know they do bad.
I don't know what a goat do, man. Don't they bark as well?
No.
One more time.
They bad. Goats make a little funny noise. I never
No.
thought about that.
Oh, that's a good question. So what does it do?
They don't meow. I wrote that. It's not in the dictionary. What you call that stuff? I don't know. What is that? I don't know, man. Look at man. They're man. Man.
I don't know. I guess it just screams. Like, I'm not going to mimic the sound if that's what you're getting at.
So I will spell it out. MEH.
It's more like a groan.
A groan.
A groan. Good. Hello. Hey God. My father should not watch this video. He'll be disappointed in me. And they say, when you send me to England to study in England.
I will have to ask my ex because he was a big goat. It was a big goat. So let me ask him. Hold on, let me call.
I think it's Blur. I just can't remember the exact word it is, but I don't remember it right now. So I don't...
They didn't teach us this in school. That's why I say school's not useful.
Goat. Mia now, my brother. Mia. Yes. No, cat. That's cat. That's cat.
Thank you.
Goats do
Sheep. I know sheep bleeds. What do goats do? I don't know.
That's what you call it.
No, that's the sound. But what do you call that sound?
goat sound. Remember that's here. Goat sound.
It's the goat sound now. Yeah, that's the sound goats make.
They bleat.
That's right. I know it's B. I know it's from B, but I'm not sure what it was.
Bro.
They
bleat.
Bleat.
That's what they call it.
Bleat.
Yes. That sound that you made,
Bleat.
that's what it's
I
called.
bleated, y'all.
What do they do?
No, I don't know.
They don't know.
I don't know.
They bleat.
They bleat.
Bleat.
Bleat. I be sure to look that up.
Goats bleat.
They do blitz.
I don't know. It's not bleat. So what is it called? Is it bleating?
Huh?
Is it bleating?
Bleat.
That primary school team.
It's a common sense. Some of you don't have common sense. A goat bleats.
Every good guy. Forget that. Forget I'm good. They bleat. Oh, they bleat. Bleato or bleedo. Bleatedo. You're a goat. If I catch you, I'll turn to pepper soup. Ileya, we have three goats.